Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now if you're new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment on my YouTube videos. Now this is a new design which is customized by Big Giant Tech. It has online banking and different section and segment on advanced features on this design. So this is the front end section, as you can see. Now go back to the user section, and then you must be wondering how we were able to achieve this result. You just have to stick to the end of this video to understand this video better. So this is the investment section. Now user stock investment here. So this is one of the features. It has different informations you need. I showed you what it did to the end. Keep subscribing to Big Giant Tech. See you guys in the next segment. Hey guys, welcome back to Big Giant Tech. Now this is the second segment of this video section on how to install your investment website with online banking all together. Now this is an advanced features which comes with advanced UI design. You get it. Now I'm using Ostinger for this video section on how to install. If you're using cPanel, it's still the same process. Just ensure your cPanel has higher resources in order for it to allow the design to work properly. So the next section here is, as you can see, this is my domain which is empty. So I'll go back to my dashboard. If you are using cPanel, it's still the same process. The very first thing you do is ensure to create your company email account. Once you come to your cPanel, you go to where you have email account, click on it, then go to create your email account. Once you create your email account, ensure to save your information on your notepad and also open your webmail. So that's it. The next section here is go straight to your file manager. So if you're using an add-on domain or your main domain will be located in your public_html. Then your add-on domain, you also see them in your public_html or outside. It all depends on your cPanel setup. So I'll go straight to upload. I'll click on file. Now this is the script. I'll click open. Now this is uploading. So while this is uploading, let's go back to our dashboard. So let's create our database. I'll click on database. If you're using cPanel, go to database wizard. So let me just fill out this information. So once you've done this, ensure to save your information on your notepad. Now if you're using cPanel, once you've inputted your database user password, it takes you to a new section where you get to see all privileges. Ensure to click on it. Okay, if not, it won't synchronize with your designs. So then I'll click on create. As you can see, our database has been created successfully. Then the next section is go to PHP admin in your cPanel. So once you come to PHP admin, so this is it. I'll just click on my database name if you have multiple database, then go to import, then you choose your file, and this is our database, and I'll click open. Good. As you can see, this has been uploaded successfully. So let's go back to our file. As you can see, our file has been uploaded successfully. Now if you're using cPanel while uploading, ensure that the file bar shows you green before you exit the section. So once you've done with that, come back to your folder and extract. You right click and extract. Then I'm using Ostinger, so I have to put in a folder name. Good, this is it. So you come to the folder section here. Now just delete this. This was created because it's an iOS PC. So delete this. Now this is our main folder. Okay. Then copy all. Then you move this to your public_html or your add-on domain. Good. So I'll just have to delete the folder I created. and also the zip file. Good. Now this is it. So let me go to my file. I have so you just come to the installation section in case you are not watching this video. So edit it, and now this is installation we have for cron job, and just go to your .env. okay, so this is how it is. So the next section here is go to your .env, edit it. So let me just fill out this information here. Should be your domain URL. Remove the slash behind it. Now this should be your app name. Now this should be your database information. So go to your file. Now this is my database password. This is my DB name, which is my database name. I'll put it here. Now this is my database username. Good, we are good to go. Then I'll click on save, and I'll exit this. So once I'm through with this, I'll go back to my website and reload. Now it takes you to this verification section. Now I guess once you come to this section here, you just put in this. In case you don't want this, I'll show you guys how to remove it. So this is the website. As you can see, this is how the website is. In case you don't want that verification section, let me show you guys how to remove it. Go to your file manager. So in order to remove this, just come to your file manager, go to app, then go to http, come to kernel.php, edit this, right click and edit. So what you just have to do is come to this section here. We have false verification and control/ or command/, then you save. So once I go to a new tab, so this is my domain, so I'll just click enter. You see, it won't take you to the verification section anymore, just take you straight to the website. Alright, so that is it. So that's how you remove it if it's disturbing your users. So I'll just exit section. But if you're getting the script, you're getting everything. So ensure you watch this video correctly. So we're done with that section here. Now this is just how so users can actually change their designs, theme section. So let me show you guys to log in the admin. Admin login is your domain name /alt/login. As you can see, you also get that in the installation txt file. So go back to your PHP admin, then you go to admins, then come to edit this section. So you go back to your company email you created. Remember I told you guys to create it. Copy your company email, then ensure there is no space. If there is a space here, you get errors and your files won't be stored well in the database. Always remove any space behind it. There should be no space. Okay, then for the password section, encrypt the password. Go to password here and encrypt. So you scroll down and click on go. So this is our manager login. Let me just fill. So I've inputted the company email, then here is for the password. So this is the password we created. And I'll click on access admin panel. Good. As you can see, this is the admin section of the website. which is nice, as you can see. Now the next section here is come to settings. You go to app settings. So let me just fill out this information. So then you have to put in your company URL here. Remove the slash behind it. Then here should be, do not turn on SMS, because if you turn on SMS, ensure to put in your Twilio API. If not, your registration won't be working, so just keep it off, or your ID section. Then this is your logos and favicon. After you've done that, just click update. Good. If you're using Studio Live Chat, you can put your ID here. Now the next section is going to transfer code. Now we have over 5 transfer codes. Now you can turn on or off all these. So let me just put them on. You can turn off any one of your choice, and I'll just click update. You can actually change the names of all these codes to your desired names. Okay, then you go to preference. So I'll just come here and also change this to your company email. Okay, make sure you turn all this on and click save. So go back again to your email here. So just fill out information. Then the same thing here. Now since I'm using Ostinga, mine is smtp.ostinga.com. Now once you create your email account, just go to your web mail. The very first mail you get in your mailbox is your mail configuration settings from your hosting provider. Okay, then ensure you copy your email password you created and paste it here. Good. Also change the name to your domain name. Okay, then you click on save. So this is good. So we are done with it. We're good to go. Next section here is we have what next? Come to settings, go to payment settings. Now this section is easy on how to edit all this. Let me just show you guys how to edit. Come to Bitcoin. Once you click the eye icon, you're able to put your informations. Now this section or type is for crypto and currency. Currency is for bank transfer. Yeah, you put your bank transfer information, while crypto is for. So put your wallet address and ensure to enable the status. And also select for if you want to put it for just withdrawal or for both deposit and withdrawal, just keep it as both. So this is how you edit, and this is also how you add. It's the same process. Then click on save changes. So if you go back to the payment section, you come to add new. So it's the same thing you see, just fill out this information, change this to crypto. So this is how it is. Okay, so we're good to go. The next section here is go back to settings again. Now this is appearance settings. You can actually change the front end of the user section. You can actually change all this. Ensure that as you are changing, you're looking the users. Okay, so that's how it is. The next section is go to investment. Now we have if you come to legacy plans, this is where you add your investment plan section to it. We have for stock, we have for. So as you can see, to edit any of them, just click on the edit section here and just fill out this information. So as you can see, it's easy to understand. The plan tag is easy to understand. Now the top up interval, you can put this as daily. Then weekly top up is top up type, you put it as percentage. always at percentage. Now what you just need to understand here is, while editing, now the minimum plan and the maximum plan. Okay, now the minimum return and maximum return should be the same thing. Let me just put this here, 30 and 30. Now gift bonus from this, you can add anything or just leave it at 0. Then this plan tag is a tag that shows, so you just put this as L8 or whatever you want to use. Now select the investment type. We have real estate, stock, crypto. You can say, okay, this is for real estate and this is for stock. So this is how you know what you're doing. Then interval type, it should be daily or weekly. Just put daily here, and show here is on percentage, and the top up amount should be your percentage you added as this percentage of return. Very important. Now this is for 1 year. You can set this investment duration here. Let me just put this as 5 days. Okay, so this is how you do it. If you want to learn more, just click how to set up duration, as you can see. Okay, then you click on update plan. So it's still the same way you add your plan and the same way you edit your plan. So that's how it works. Okay, that's how it works. Now this is for, we have for the loan. So we have the loan, we have the virtual card, as you can see. This is card settings. So you can come to the card section here and change all these amounts to your desired taste. So we have for IRS. So let me just go straight to the user account. Let me create a user account so we get to understand better. Alright, so let me just go straight to it. Open account. If your email is incorrect, your files will not work. It will show you error or 500 error. Ensure your email setup is correct and use a good hosting. Even though I use a hosting that has limited resources, it shows some particular error. As a developer, you're able to debug and fix, but ensure you make use of a good hosting. So let me just fill out this name. So I'll click next. Then user selects their country and email. I'll click next. Then select any currency of your choice. Let me just use KZ and savings. Then the PIN. Then I'll click next. Now ensure the password is a strong password. Okay. Then I'll click on agree and click on create account. As you can see, it must take you or the users to verification process. Very important. So let me go to my email. You can see it sends the user welcome email, and also it sends users the verification email. So copy your verification code and paste it here. So automatically it takes users to the dashboard section. Now this is it. Now we're not done yet. Now this is it. You can see the currency changes, right? Everything is working perfectly well, and all related issues have been fixed by me currently because I have to customize this design. So once user go click on any of the section here, they must have to go through the KYC information, but they can go to the dashboard. It won't show them KYC, but if they want to navigate the REST platform, they must go through the KYC section. So this is it. Then next section is I don't agree, accept, and proceed. So I have to fill out all this information one after the other. I just want to make this video not that long. So I filled out all the information. All information has been filled out. Ensure you go through all information. Ensure you go through all information. If not, you get 500 error. So I filled out all information, as you can see. So What next is I'll just click on submit application. As you can see, it went successfully. And I'll go back to the admin section. Then once you come to admin, go to new user application, click on view application, so these are all the informations. So click on action, then confirm. Users are also getting emails like this. You can see we've confirmed the KYC information. Let me go back to the user section. Let me go to dashboard. Now once I go back to transactions, you can see everything is going perfectly well. So we've confirmed the KYC for this user, as you can see. Now go back to, so come to manage users in your admin section. So go to manage. Then once you come to manage, click on action, turn off dominant accounts. If not, if this is turned on, users can't perform any actions because the account will still be on dominant. Then if you click on action again, go to edit, you get to see account status. Here you can activate, on hold, and suspend the account. You can suspend this account, keep it as on hold, or active or inactive. So this is what you do. So we're good to go, guys. The next session here is go back to your website. So let's go to deposit, come to add money, then always ensure or tell your users to confirm payment wallet address before they make payment to the admin. Always tell your users. This is one security issues you have to tell or work with your users. Then I have to put the amount or any amount. So I'll click on continue to deposit. Then users can scan. You can see not available. So use a good hosting while installing some particular script that has to do with payment section or payment options. Okay, and always let your users or your admins to be able to know how to restrict and how to make themselves secured. So I'll go to upload. So I've uploaded the payment receipt and submit payment. So this is a demo to show you guys how most designs works. Okay, so this is good. So let me go back to transactions. So this is the transaction history. So I'll go to the admin section. Once you come to admin, go to, let's say, go to user deposit. So you can view, this is the payment receipt. Then you just come back and click on process. Good. Now users also are getting emails constantly, as you can see. So as I go back to, so let me reload this transaction history. As you can see completed. Go back to dashboard. So it has been added. So this is how it works. Our users can also come to investments. They can see all plans, and portfolio is your investment history. So this is for stock markets, as you can see. This is for cryptocurrency. And also this is for real estate. So users can perform all actions. Now before we continue this, you have to add the cron job to this to allow the automatic return on investment. So go back to your hosting environment. So go to where you have cron job. So for the cron job, since I'm using Stinger, I just have to take this to custom. Okay, then if you go to your installation file, just copy this cron job, copy this and paste it here. So let me show you guys how to understand this. If you're using cPanel, this should be your home one, then this should be your cPanel name, the username for your cPanel. You log in with your cPanel, this should be your cPanel username. Now this should be your domain link or your public_html, but use your domain link. You get it? So I'm using Stinger now. It's quite different, so I'll go back to my Stinger website. I'll copy my link, go back to my cron job. So I'll just come here and to just paste your domain URL like this. Okay, so this is how you do it if you're using a Stinger. Then just take this to, it should be once per 5 minutes, so leave that section there. Now this is what I put, okay, once per every minute. So take this to every minute and just click save. So that's how you add your cron job. Okay, so I've explained it. So once user come back to the website, as you can see, so for instance I want to invest with real estate, so I'll just select any of the plan and I can put an amount here, or just take this high, and you can see the limit. Then invest in real estate. You can see you successfully purchased real estate plan. So this is how it is. Now to see your portfolio of your investments, then go to under investment, go to my portfolio. Then this is it. So I'll click on view. So once you click on view, you're able to see it here. Now it shows the time frame for maturity. As you can see, can be updating user every weekly or every day. It all depends on you. And also once you go back to the admin, go to investment, go to active investments, be able to see it here. And if you come to action section, then if you go to more actions, be able to delete plan or mark as process if you want to hasten it, or you can also add profits to it. For instance, I want to top up user account profits, and this should be done per day. Once you added now, as you can see, next growth is for next 23 hours from now. Let me go back to my portfolio and reload the section. As you can see, users is also getting email, which is awesome. So that's how it works. Users can also come to investment again. You can also go to cryptocurrency and also invest with cryptocurrency. So it all depends on the user. It has stocks, add real estate and cryptocurrency, which is awesome for any banking designs. So we've done that. The next section here is users can also take loans. So user come to the loan section, apply for a loan, and they can set out duration. Let me just put this 6 months. Now this is just for example purpose. Then I'll click on agree and submit loan application. You can see this went successfully. Now users can also check for existing loan. Many users can take the loan twice, as you can see. Go back to admin section, go to where you have loan application. Once you come to loan application, click on active loans, and this is it, it's pending. So you can come to admin you can mark as active. Also mark the loan as active, meaning the loan is in process. Now you can pay users. Let me go back again to admin, go to that same loan, go to action, mark as paid. Now you've paid these users already, so you just reload the section. As you can see, paid, right? Good. Once you go to transaction section, now you won't see it here, but go back to manage users in admin. Once you mark, then I believe users will get email, let's say. Okay, go back to admin, go to manage users, go to manage, and click on action. There you go to credit account and put the loan amount, put this as account balance, then select type as local transfer. Sender name will be your company name, then just take this to loan paid. So this is how it is. You can send, you can backdate it or put your date, and you can send users notification. They click forward and count, and users can actually print out these receipts. Let me reload the transaction section. As you can see, the loan paid, users can click on receipts. So this is how it is basically. Good. Now we've done that for the loan. Now go to grant section. Users can apply for grants. Continue section. If you go to the complaint information, you have to put in complaint information there. I just want to make this faster. Now before users apply, go back to admin, go to manage users. That time manage that particular users, click on action, and you click on edit. Scroll down to where we have grant limit. So the amount of limit you put here is the amount users can ask for. So let me just put the limit here is 6,000. So if users ask above 6,000, they won't get it. But if user asks for 5,000, they will get 6,000. You get it. Now before you continue, just go to this IRS. This should be 11 digit, and just put your information here. Then I'll click on update. So once I go back to admin as a user, let me just get cost of 5,000. Then let me say community act. Then I'll click submit application. As you can see, your requested pre-approved amount is 6,000. Once you click on view application results, now this is how it is. So once you go back to admin, go to, let's locate for the grant section. Go to grant application, then you go to all application. So this is how it is. Then you click on the view section. So you're able to view this user. Then what next is for you to see pre-approved. So you just click on disperse funds to user account. You can see. So once I go back to the user, now let me just reload here. Let me click on view my application. As you can see, disbursed. User can click on view, fund disbursed. Then you just, what next is go to transaction. The same process of how we added the loan payment. So the same thing you do for the grant, just add description to grant disbursed. So that's how it works. So the next section here is we have the IRS. Come to this tax refund. Now users will just have to fill out this information. Let me just do that. So I filled out this information, as you can see. Now click on submit request. Now this has been submitted successfully. Now it asks for the filing ID. This is what you send to user. So go back to the manage users, come to, let's say, go to IRS, go to all IRS. You can see pending users. Now no filing. So go to manage users. Let's get the filing ID. Go to manage on these users. So how to create this filing ID. So I'll just copy this and go back to the user section and send to your users, and just fill out the information and click what submit filing ID. Now they'll be able to track it, as you can see. Now the next section here is go back to the admin, go to your IRS, go to all. This is still pending, so click on action section. So before you approve here, you just need to view it first. So I'll click on view to see more of the information. So I'll click on approve. So once they approve this, users can be able to see it here. Let me reload. You can see approve, right? So go back to the user section, go back to admin, sorry. They just click on process refund. So initially there's no stipulated amount being imputed by the user. So what you just have to do is, before you give out a filing ID, you just have to ask for the amount. Then this how it just works basically. So I'm just giving you guys the breakdown on this design and explanation on how this design works. You can see processed. So you go the same process on how we credited the user and added that. So that's how it works. This design is too robust and too authentic. So we've done that for the IRS, and we'll show you guys the deposits. Users can also contact support system, as you can see. So let me just fill out, take this to high priority, and I'll click submit ticket. So I believe you get this. Let me go back to admin, go to dashboard. So you get that information. Admin will get that information or support in their email, the admin email. So that's where it goes to. So basically we've done most of the important information here. The admin can also generate transaction receipts or transaction for these particular users. Number of transactions, let's say 40. Minimum amount from 100 to, then this is for credit, processed all. Select payment type. Let me just say this should be domestic transfer. Then you backdate this start date from, you just select from 2024 to today. So I'll click generate transaction history. So users can check their transaction here. As you can see, this is how it works basically. And also we have the card section. Users can come to cards information, and users can apply for card. Now I've talked about that card. You can also add the amount there. So card level, so I'll click on this and submit application. So guys, if you are still new to my YouTube channel and you have not subscribed to Big Giant Tech, please just do that now. Hit the subscribe button, like, share and comment to my YouTube video. As you can see, now go back to admin section. and go to virtual cards, go to pending card application. Now you can view the card information for this user. So let me just approve this card. And you can also top up the account amount for the card user. You can also deduct amount from the card, then top up this. Let me go back to the user. So I'll just have to reload this user information. As you can see, the card now is active. You can view, users can view card details. As you can see, show number. Users can also flip the card. You can also copy the card information. And you can see this is, they can deactivate and also block card information. So we've done that. Now for the last but not the least, we have, let me just explain this transaction. We have local transfer. Local transfer is for users transferring to another users using the same platform. Okay, now international transfer is for user transferring to another bank account. So let me just do that. So this is it. Let me just choose, let me say for instance I'm transferring to PayPal, and let me just put 1000, put my email, then users put in their transaction pin, then say farm, then save this as beneficiary. Users can do that just so in case of another transfer. So I'll just click on continue to transfer, then confirm transfer. So this takes user to the code 1 verification. Now users can even log out. If users don't want to go through the process, they can log out, and let me just go back to dashboard. They will be able to see this notification until they can continue the same transfer. So let me just go to continue transfer. So it takes them back to the same process rather than going through all the transfer information. So go back to admin section, go to settings, go to app settings, go to transfer codes. Now these are all the transfer it will show us, which is 5. I don't want to go through this process, it's too long. So let me just off all. Let me just like 1 and 2, okay, 1 and 4, and update. So it will just take users on code 1. So go to manage users, go to manage, click on action, click on edit. Now these are the information here, so you can change the code to the same amount of digits. You can change it to whatever you want to. So I'm just copy this IMF, so I'll just paste this here and confirm IMF code. As you can see, it takes user to code 4 verification. So I'll just come back here and skip this to let's say, yeah, code 4. I'll confirm task code. Now this will take users to OTP. You can also off the OTP section, just needing just the codes information. So I'll check my email. Let me reload here, and this is my OTP. So I'll copy my OTP, I'll click confirm OTP. As you can see, it went successful. So you can also change the status to approve. It's pending because admin needs to approve it. Then users can view receipts. This is how it is. Let me just go back here and let me click done. Go back to the home section. So once you go to admin, go to, let's say, go to transfer history, go to view, sorry, go to transfer transactions. Now you can see the pending. You can click on view, then ensure you pay the user. Once you pay the user or you reject, if you click on reject, then you have to send an email why you reject this, or you reject because of wrong transfer information, or you can say on hold. You get it. So this is how it works. Then you click process, user will get it. So that's how it works. The next section here is we've done all the informations. Now go back to manage users. So go back to manage on that particular user, go to actions. Now you can also top up the user account as BTC in case users are investing. So the investments can also just top up as BTC. It all depends on you. Now users can change profile pictures and you can do a lot of things here. So let me just show you guys. Go to credit account. So let me just add credit to the Bitcoin wallet, crypto deposit. So I'm just click fund account. So I'll go back to the user dashboard and reload this section. So this is how it is. So basically I've showed you guys everything. Users can also change the appearance to white and black. Now the good thing about this is it comes with a different mobile section and mobile interface, which is awesome. Okay, it comes with mobile interface, which is awesome. So I won't be able to show you guys the mobile interface here. So we've done all. So if you like this clip, guys, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment to Big Giant Tech. You can message me on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching my video. See you guys in the next video.